Hi, this video will take you through the installation of your official Equalize app to your Android mobile phone. After purchasing the application, you would have been provided with a download link. You can download and unzip the application onto your phone or your PC. If you have downloaded to your phone and have unzipped the file, you may skip to the install section. Insert the PC USB cable into the phone. Swipe down to reveal the USB connection mode. Ensure that the USB used for section has transferring files enabled. On your PC, locate the Downloads folder. Browse this folder for the downloaded zip file. Double-click the zip file to open it. Open a new File Explorer window and locate your mobile phone there. Browse to your phone's download folder. Once found, enter this folder. Next, back in the PC folder, drag the file to your desktop to unzip it. Finally, drag the unzipped APK file to the mobile phone. Now, locate the APK file. You may need to scroll the window if this folder is as busy as mine. All good. It's there. Now we need to install it. Open the Android file browser and search for the download folder. Enter the folder and scroll the window to find the Equalize APK file. Tap on the Equalize APK file. As this application has not been obtained through Google Play, you may be prompted with an unknown source warning dialog. Providing you have obtained the file from Avalon Web VR, it is safe to continue. Tap the Settings button in this dialog and then scroll to find My Files. Tap on My Files to bring up the Equalize Install dialog. Finally, tap Install. Once installed, tap the Done button. Return to the home screen by tapping the Back button several times. Scroll through your apps to find the Equalize application. Tap the icon to launch the program. When prompted, give the application its default rights by tapping the option line that states, while using the app. You will now need to make the application aware of which headset you are using. For your convenience, you just need to scan the QR code provided with your VR box. If you do not have a QR code, or the one supplied is out of date, then visit avalonweb.com.au. There, you will find an Android setup page. On that page, there is a link to a wide range of QR codes. Pick the one that best matches the headset you own. Alternatively, if you are unsure as to which VR box headset you have, use either of the default ones from our Android setup page. You can scan the QR code right off of the screen. Once scanned, the screen should appear as shown, with most of the display filled with two square windows. Now you can continue with authorization. The mobile is now in VR mode, so pick up the phone and hold it about arm's length from your eyes. You will see a horizon rotate into view. Rotate your whole body until the authorization panel comes into view. Note, it could be behind you. Email the scrambled device code to activate@avalonweb.com.au or enter it as directed on the website. You will be provided with a unique authorization code. You will use the MOC to enter the code, so if your MOC is not configured for game mode, you should do that now. There is a guide for that procedure on our website. The numbers are selected using the MOC thumbstick and set using trigger B. Note: trigger A is used to recenter the screen. If you make a mistake entering the code, that's okay. Select the clear button to delete. Finally, select Enter to authorize the application. Great! Welcome to Equalize.